Good morning, students. This is Mr. Milind A. Shende, Assistant Professor in English at JS College of Commerce, Varda. So today we'll be having a glance at the syllabus prescribed by RTM Nagpur University, Nagpur for BCom second year, that is SEM 3 Supplementary English. In total, there are 4 units. Unit number 1, unit number 2, unit number 3, and unit number 4. So far as unit number 1 is concerned, it is about prose. Unit number 2 is about poetry. In unit number 3, some letters are given. This unit number 3 is related to report writing, and unit number 4, it is about vocabulary or business terminology. So let's see unit number 1 in detail. In this prose section, that is unit number 1, there are 4 lessons. So the first lesson is the thief, and this The Thief is written by Ruskin Bond. Now let's move to another lesson, that is lesson number 2. This is 3 Hermits. Second lesson is 3 Hermits. And these 3 Hermits lesson is written by Leo Tolstoy. Now, lesson number 3. The title of this lesson is The Power of Prayer, and it is written by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. The Power of Prayer by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Now we will move to the next lesson, that is lesson number 4, and it's addressed with destiny. And this lesson is written by Jawaharlal Nehru. Now let's see the poetry section, that is unit number 2. In unit number 2, or in poetry section, there are in total 3 poems. So the first poem, which is prescribed there in the syllabus of BCom second year, that is SEM 3 Supplementary English, is Still I Rise, and it is written by Maya Angelou. So the first poem is in this poetry section, Still I Rise by Maya Angelou. Now let's move to another poem, that is Ulysses. And this poem is written by Alfred Tennyson. Now, next poem, that is Telephone Conversation, and it is written by Bol Soyinka. Telephone Conversation. By Bol Soyinka. Now, let's move to the next unit, that is unit number 3. It is about writing skill, and in this section we have been given 2 reports. First is inquiry report, and secondly there is progress report. So in this section of report writing or unit number 3, we have these two reports. First is inquiry report, and another is progress report. Now we'll move to the next unit, that is unit number 4. Alright, unit 4. In this unit number 4, there are some business terminologies. There are about 25 terminologies are there. You will be given the explanation, and for that you have to write a single term. This consists of vocabulary that is related to business terminology. So this is your syllabus prescribed by RTM Nagpur University Nagpur for the subject supplementary English, say 3. Now after this we will move towards the paper pattern. I'll see the paper pattern in detail. So there will be in total 5 questions. Question number 1. In this question number 1, there will be one question which will be LAQ. LAQ, that is long answer question. Out of 2, means 2 options will be given. And this question will be for 16 marks. It means in total 2 questions are to be attempted out of 4. 2 LAQs out of 4. Now, this question will be based on unit number 1, that is cross section. Based on unit number 1, it means cross section. Now, in the same question number 1, there will be another question which would be related to short, which will be short answer question. That is SAQ. Here, 4 short answer questions will be given, and you have to attempt any 4 out of 5. It means in total 5 SAQs will be given, and you have to attempt only 4 out of them. 4 SAQs out of 5. And the answer is expected to be written in about 75 words each. So, this is question number 1. It is completed here. Now we will move towards question number 2. In this question number 2, one question, that is LAQ, will be based on poetry section. 1 LAQ out of 2. From unit poetry section. Now in this question number 2, after this A, there will be B. This will be another sub question actually. And in this B, you will find 2 SAQs out of 3 are to be attempted. 2 SAQs. SAQs means short answer questions. Out of 3. Again, from unit number 2, that is poetry section. And then, as it is SAQ, the answer is expected to be written in about 75 words each. After this, we'll move to the next question. Question number 3. This will be based on report writing, which I just discussed earlier while telling you about the syllabus. Report writing from unit number 3. In the same question number 3, there are 2 parts. First is A, second is B. In this B, you will be given a kind of sentence or title, and you have to expand it up. You have to write in detail about that particular idea. That is expansion of idea from unit 3. And then there is last question, that is question number 4. This question number 4 is about business terminology. In total, 6 terminologies will be given, and you have to attend only any 4. And in this question number 4, there will be another sub question, that is first was part A, this is part 2 or part B. So this question will be based on prose section as well as poetry section, because it is about VSAQs. VSAQs means very short answer question. The answer is expected to be written in 1 or 2 lines. It means in 1 or 2 sentences only. So this is part B. 4 VSAQs. VSAQs means very short answer questions. For VSAQs from unit number 1 and unit number 2, and the answer is expected to be written in only 1 or 2 lines. So this was the paper pattern. Earlier we discussed the syllabus prepared by a university, and this is the paper pattern. Thank you.